Today we're delving into a topic that holds the key to unlocking a life of choice and independence: financial freedom. Have you ever wondered why the pursuit of financial freedom is more than just a lofty goal for the financially savvy? If yes, then stick around, because today, we're unraveling the reasons why everyone, yes, everyone, should seek for financial freedom. Financial freedom has a different meaning to all of us. And everyone has a different side of what they consider as financial freedom. But most people consider it's about having the means to live life on your own terms, without the shackles of financial stress. Let me show you why it is important and how you can achieve it. It is quite reasonable to have an emergency fund for unexpected expenses like car repairs or other financial emergencies. An emergency fund can help you avoid falling into debt in such situations and better cope with unexpected costs. Imagine having the freedom to choose your career based on passion, not just a paycheck. Financial freedom opens up opportunities for pursuing your dreams, whether it's starting a business, traveling the world, or dedicating more time to your loved ones. We often find ourselves trapped in a cycle of debt and paycheck-to-paycheck living. Financial freedom empowers you to break free from this cycle, allowing you to build wealth and create a better future for yourself and your family. The desire to break free from the routine of waking up every morning solely to go to work and pay rent is a common aspiration. Many people dream of financial independence or finding alternative sources of income that allow for a more flexible and fulfilling lifestyle. This desire often stems from a yearning for greater freedom, autonomy, and the pursuit of personal passions and interests. Achieving such a goal may involve strategic financial planning, exploring entrepreneurial ventures, or finding innovative ways to generate income outside of traditional employment. Ultimately, the dream of not being tied to a rigid work routine is a powerful motivator for individuals seeking a more balanced and fulfilling life. Financial freedom is not only about the present, it's a commitment to securing a prosperous future for your descendants. By making sound financial decisions today, you lay the foundation for generational wealth that positively impacts your family for years to come. This journey goes beyond personal gain, evolving into a legacy-building endeavor. Your choices ripple through time, shaping a financial landscape that provides opportunities, security, and the ability for your family to pursue their aspirations. It's an art of financial stewardship, empowering your descendants with the discipline and mindset for long-term financial sustainability. As you work towards financial freedom, see it as a gift to the future, a testament to your dedication to your family's well-being across generations. Financial freedom offers more than generational wealth. It enhances your current life. It provides independence, reduces stress, and grants the freedom to pursue passions, so you can do whatever you want. With it, career choices become personal, peace of mind prevails, and retirement planning is more comfortable. Financial stability allows contributions to meaningful causes. While building generational wealth is commendable, prioritizing your well-being is equally important. Financial freedom is a tool that enhances your life, providing the means for a fulfilling existence at every part of your life. In conclusion, financial freedom is not a luxury, it's a necessity for living a fulfilled life. It's a journey, not a destination, and the path may vary for each of us. But the goal remains the same: to break free from financial constraints and design a life that aligns with our dreams and aspirations. If you're not already on this journey, it's never too late to start. Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's embark on this exciting adventure toward financial freedom together. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay aware.